Calcium. Introduction. Calcium is only needed to make strong bones and teeth. Select true or false. Correct. Calcium also plays an important role in body metabolism, such as muscle contractions, hormone secretion, and the functioning of the cells in the nervous system. Which of the following is a result of calcium deficiency? Choose one of the following options. 1. Abnormal heart rhythms. 2. Tooth decay. 3. Weak bones. 4. All of the above. Correct. Which of the following foods is not a good source of calcium? Choose one of the following options. 1. Broccoli. 2. Milk. 3. Salmon. 4. Unfortified cereal. Correct. Unfortified cereal is not a good source of calcium. Calcium toxicity usually happens when people eat foods rich in calcium. Select true or false. Correct. It is uncommon to take in enough calcium from food to cause calcium toxicity. However, it is possible to have calcium overdose from calcium supplements. Thank you for using Explain.